long hour, I place my life today, depending solely on you to light and guide my way.
All Lincoln emergency. This is an answer to Hopkins 3 out of 5 boys who was taking your day between the...
Hey,
Hi.
isn't the moon looks gorgeous?
Yeah, that's why I'm here to see that.
Why don't you come in this side? Come on. Myself, Ginia.
This is Charlie.
Let's have a walk. Are you in a relationship?
No, not at all.
Will you be my Valentine?
I don't know. How should I react to this? Don't love me. I'm a warrior. We live by chance and die by choice. Hello, Captain Charlie speaking.
Charlie, Wing Commander Chanakya speaking. War broke out at the border. It is declared as an emergency. I repeat, it's an emergency. You have to fly up in the very next morning.
I will be report on time, sir. Hello, Captain Charlie speaking.
Hello, Charlie. Do you hear that? I heard in the news that the emergency has declared in the border. You know, Charlie, they were saying that the government has cancelled the leave of every soldier in the border region and told to prepare for the final assault.
Yeah, I know. Our commander informed me a few minutes ago. I have to take off in the early morning. You know what? Love doesn't mean and in the way we seem to think it is. Love is battle. Love is a war. Love isn't growing up. This is a war. And here, anything can happen. Promise me. Never look back again in your life if I never come back again.
I'll wait for you and for your love.
Take care.
सीमाएं पुकारे सिपाही सीमाएं बुलाए तुझे चल रही सीमाएं पुकारे सिपाही सीमाएं बुलाए तुझे चल रही सीमाएं पुकारे सिपाही सीमाएं बुलाए तुझे चल रही सीमाएं पुकारे सिपाही सीमाएं बुलाए तुझे
There's no need to fear. Underdog is here.
It's enough. Now it's time to say goodbye.
From Charlie with love.
Sir, I am hit badly.
Come back to the airbase, it's an order.
No sir, no. Now it's impossible for me to return at the airbase in this condition. I have already entered far in the enemy territory. Sir, I am going to crash it down in the safe zone without the cost of civilian. Jai Hind, sir. Over and out.
It's been reported from the office of the wing commander that Bluebird, a jet of the Special Force of IAF, had been crashed down by the pilot, Captain Charlie himself, after he found his plane severely damaged by the attack of the enemy air force. It's also been known from the same source that he had to crash down the plane at a safe zone far from the domain of the civilians when he found it impossible to get back to the airbase in that condition.
You can close your eyes to the things you don't want to see, but you can't close your heart to the things you don't want to feel.
I will come again in this beautiful country, may not be in the form of a human, but in the form of a bird. I wish I will come as an eagle to fly high in the sky, to touch the glory once again.